Hi, my name is Ehi Aimiwo. This is the fifth of the 6 series math problem I chose. I chose 6 problems that I felt the average math or algebra students must know and understand before they go into a classroom to be successful. This particular question is solving the unknown. It has x and fractions. Okay? And my recommendation is that we must put all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. Now, if it was a positive and you move it to the other side, it becomes a negative. If it was a negative, it becomes a positive. When it's a multiplication and you move it to the other side, it becomes a division. A division becomes a multiplication. So let's see what happens here. I want all my x's together, so I'm going to move this x over here to be with this x, and this whole number over here. So I write my x. This is a positive 1/4 x, or 1/4x. If I move it over here to join its partner, it's going to be a negative 1/4x, equal to. This stays where it is. It's basically 3/2 is positive. And this negative 2/5 comes over here as a positive. So it's going to be positive 2/5. You see how this negative 2/5 becomes a positive 2/5 over here, and this positive 1/4x becomes a negative 1/4x over here. Whenever you cross the equal to sign, you must change your sign. You come the opposite. Now let's do the math. This is 1x. Since we're dealing with a denominator of 4, I can make it 4/4. 4 divided by 4 is still 1, just for easy mathematics. So the LCD is always going to be 4. 4, they're the same. And if they're the same, the top is going to be 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So we get 3/4x. The LCD of this is 10. How do I know? 5 is a prime number. Nothing will divide 5 but 1 and itself. So obviously we have no relationship with anything else, like 2. So I must multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 divided by 2 will always be 5. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Whenever you want to get the numerator of a problem, you have to divide the LCD by the denominator, and the answer you get, you multiply by the numerator to get 15 and 4. So this is actually 19/10. I want x to be by itself. That's what I'm solving for, the unknown x. So this 3/4 must go over there. But the relationship it has here is times. Any number x, 2x, is the same as 2 times x. 3/4x is 3/4 times x. So 3/4 moved over here will become a division. And whenever we divide, we have to flip the fraction. So it becomes times 4/3. 3/4 as multiplication comes over here as division, becomes 4/3, and you change the sign. Obviously, we have to reduce. 19 is a prime number, nothing will reduce it. 2 will reduce 4 and 10. So 2 here is 2, 2 into 10 is 5. Always reduce before you multiply. Anything at the bottom can reduce anything on top, if it's possible. So now our answer will be 19 times 2 is 38, divided by 5 times 3 is 15. This is an improper fraction, 38/15. 38 is too big for 15, so we have to change it to mixed number. So we do the math. 15, the denominator is always outside. 38, the numerator is inside. 15 into 38 will be 2 times. 15 times 2 is 30. And when you subtract that, you get a remainder of 8. So it's always answer, remainder, over denominator. So the answer was 2. The remainder was 8. And the denominator, of course, never changes, and it's 15. So the unknown, which is x, of this problem is 2 8/15. So if you put 2 8/15 here, and you put 2 8/15 here, they must be equal to one another. Now, How many math teachers do you have in your school that are black males? If there's no black male teacher in your school, or just a few, ask your parents to ask the principal why. How come there are no black males in your school teaching? Why not mathematics? They might tell you there are not enough black teachers, or they're all on drugs, or they are lazy. That's not always true. I've been a teacher in Atlanta, and when I go to the teachers' fair, there are a lot of black teachers looking for a job who have passed all their math exams or their teaching exams, but they're never given a chance. United we stand. Speak up when things are not right. There are a lot of black men teachers out there better than me, who can even make this problem easier for you. So speak up and get the best human resources from our population to do the job. God bless.